Guys, we're here at the Caravan industry Victoria Border Expo 2024 and I'm here with Rob from Vic RV Sales, mate. How are you?
Good, Was. How are you?
Mate, it's a bit of a windy day, isn't it?
It is, isn't it? It's picked up a bit.
Yeah, we've got this amazing ACX mica behind us. This is a brand new model, isn't it?
Brand
from
new.
DesignRV.
Yeah, paint's still drying on that one, wasn't it?
Yeah. Straight out of the factory, straight to the Caravan show, you reckon, mate?
Yeah.
It's pretty exciting though, isn't it? Because is it off-road or semi-off-road?
It's absolutely full off-road, and not just off-road in terms of on rugged terrain, but for staying longer off-grid, which is
it's got that off-grid capability.
It really
so it's a bit more solar, a bit more water. What's
bigger solar, bigger batteries, lithium batteries. But the big story with this one is that none of the construction externally has any timber in it.
Really? None at all?
None.
Now, I think one thing I noticed, it looks like you've got this one piece.
We do.
One piece roof, all the way from the back, all the way around to the front.
Glad you noticed, right over the top. And the great thing is that the material that's used, that composite material, it's made in Australia. So that's not imported, it's made...
We like Australian made.
Yeah, we do. Love it. And it's made in Queensland. The sides, we've got aluminium frame, but the floors are composite floor as well. So it's exciting for us.
That's going to be less issues down the track, isn't it, for someone who buys something
100%.
Like this? So if you're talking about maintenance or repairs or whatever, it's just easier.
Yep. It's risk-free as we can make a van today.
Now, we talked about some of the solar and the batteries. Tell us a little bit more about the outside of the van.
Yeah, so our chassis are made by ARV, so it's all Australian steel. It's galvanised, and I don't know if you've noticed, it's Raptor coated. So it's chip resistant. It's going to look better longer. Obviously, it's a rugged, genuine off-road chassis.
What's the suspension you're on?
So the suspension is Alpha Extreme.
So I've heard about the Alpha Extreme.
And it's 3,700 kilos, 3.7 tonne that's rated to.
Fair bit of payload.
It's fair income. 17-inch wheels, 12-inch brakes.
It's got a really nice finish in the van too. Tell us a little bit about the inside.
It's something that we've worked on, and I think it's been the story with DesignRV from the get-go. The level of finish internally, it needs to be...
They pride themselves
Absolutely. So fit and finish, it's all CNC computer cut. Cabinetry, beautiful laminate finishes. We use a material called Vegas. It's a microfiber. I know, you bet. It's a microfiber, looks just like leather. It's a lot easier to look after, and it's as tough as nails. So it suits the off-road environment. And it feels luxurious but homely. It's a great package.
Mate, well, I think you've done really, really well. The ACX mica from DesignRV. Now, of course, if you want to find out more, you can go to DesignRV's website, or of course, you guys are from Vic RV Sales. Where would they go? Where's your website, mate?
So our website's just look up Victorian RV Sales. We're in Pakenham. We've been in a very big building for about 6 months. You can't miss us from the freeway. You can see us from the moon. It's great.
It's like the Great Wall of China, guys. Mate, good luck with it all.
Thanks very much, guys. Thanks for coming and seeing it.
Thanks, Rob. Cheers, mate. Get on it.